Sungai Buloh Wetland Reserve is an important ecological landscape for migratory birds at this time of year. Singapore is a pit stop for them where they can rest and refuel before moving on with their migration. While wetland birds usually stay put, others weave through our city's patches of forest, such as the yellow rump flycatcher. Though these studies lean towards ecology, landscape architects have an important role in shaping the ecological connectivity and thus safety for both migratory and local species. Though not a perfect tool, we will explore how AI can help landscape designers to kick off their process on ecologically related projects. This was the workflow process we embarked on for this mini study. First, we conducted some background research on migratory birds as a whole, and then we generated a list of migratory birds by habitat. We tried to test out the LLM's capabilities on image generation at this stage, but to very poor and inaccurate results. Instead, we turned to a more reliable data source, iNaturalist, to collect data points on our study bird, the yellow rump flycatcher. We chose this because of its wide habitat range. Using iKnow and AI-powered GIS software, we conducted a study to hypothesize where nature waste may be lacking. This was done by identifying parks and nature waste, overlaying our bird sighting data points from iNaturalist, identifying the distance between these sightings with Delaunay lines, and seeing where they overlap and where they don't with nature waste. The integration of AI makes it a more efficient GIS tool while still maintaining some level of database precision. After some manual cleanup, we deduced areas where nature ways are lacking and chose to focus on one of the sites, the Thompson flyover. We once again used iKnow to do some basic visualization of the site context before going down to the site. On site, there is heavy construction and a severe lack of greenery on the main road. After visiting site, we used ChatGPT to create a planting palette that would be assistive to woodland birds like the flycatcher. We then inputted some of the on-site images and prompted it to synthesize the planting scheme and the image into one visual. While not entirely accurate, AI and GIS can help locate areas which make birds more vulnerable and envision what they may look like with appropriate intervention. By using information gathering capabilities of LLMs and the data-informed analysis, AI can help bridge the discipline gap between ecology and landscape design.